Starting the day with my Sunday vlog, receiving fresh veggies from Big Basket. This vlog is all about organizing your fridge. This isn't just about making kitchen look aesthetic. It is practical way to organize all the vegetables separately so that it stays fresh for long. Some kitchen tips. Let's start by segregating the vegetables. I got my order of Big Basket veggies. This was the morning delivery with the milk. You can put it in the cart anytime before 10 o'clock and you will receive it in the morning. So I have separate veggies according to usage. I tend to use lot of tomatoes for gravies as well as dry sabzi, so I keep it separately in a large bin. Green salad items I'm storing in the next container, like this broccoli, which will stay fresh for long by keeping it open. Cucumbers also used in the same bin. These are the crisper drawers. And our favorite, avrekadu. Storing the carrots separately. These are my go-to stackable long containers, which keeps the vegetable fresh, along with the lid. Even the beans, no need to cover it with paper. Baby corn and coriander. Some more vegetables like ladyfinger. You can keep it all separate bins. It doesn't mix up. Fresh edamame beans or any piece of a kind, you can keep in glass containers. This also keeps it fresh. So my veggies are ready. When items are stored in their proper zones, they stay fresh longer. So here is a complete guide to fridge organizing to keep your veggies fresh for long. I am keeping the tomatoes and salad items where there is more airflow, and in the above shelf the storage containers with lid. As these are transparent, you can see it and grab it. Miscellaneous vegetables in the boxes and salad items are very easy to reach with these large bins. Hope you liked this type of fridge organizing. Next up, today I am making minced balls. So let's start by marinating minced lamb. I have added turmeric, red chili and 1 egg. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. Now let it marinate for 10 minutes. Let's prep up onion and green chilies. Adding 2 to 3 spoons of besan. This is chickpea flour. For binding, this meatball recipe requires lots of onion, green chilies and coriander. I'm going to chop it in the chopper. Nice and fine. Adding it to minced meat. This gives it nice crunchy texture. You can even add little salt after adding onions. Frying it up. Shallow frying it in a pan. Just make rough size balls and fry it, turning it even sideways. As I have added egg, this is very easy to fry and it will hold up the shape. Once it's golden on both the sides, let's remove it. You can have a taste at this moment. For the gravy, first I'm going to grind coconut, green chilies, coriander with cinnamon and long. Once the coconut is powdered, now I'm going to add onions, tomatoes, and lastly little poppy seeds. Let's add little water and grind this paste. So this is the base of the gravy. Then adding chili powder and coriander powder as per your taste. I'm making this in a cooker. You can even make it in kadai. Add oil, bay leaf and curry leaves. As the koftas are already cooked, first add the masala and let it fry nicely. Once it is fried, we can add water to this. This gravy should not be more thick. Adding salt to taste. I have adjusted the water. Now adding the fried meatballs. I usually give it 1 or 2 whistles, or else you can just close it and let it boil or simmer for 10 minutes. And now it is ready. Adding coriander. Serve it up with lemon wedges. And our meatball gravy is ready.